to Lalit Gupta. My company name is Global Systems. My company is 32 years old company. We are doing computer business since 1991. Our main products are video projector screens. We are doing import business of imprint tonal cartages. We are distributors for TP-Link, CP+, ERD, Honeywell cables, Foxin, XP pen, and there are other products which we are dealing. We have products, projection screen, toner cartages, networking cables, video projection screens, and imprint toner cartridge. India is a big country. During the COVID and during the last 2 years, the market has really grown up. It is an opportunity for all of us to grow. There are many changes. Every 5 years, there is a change. For example, in 1991, it was a floppy drive which was selling, then floppy disk drive, data cartages, then zip drive. But things are keep on changing. With the change in the software like Windows 95, Windows 98, and Windows XP, Windows 2000, with the change of operating system and with the passage of time, everything changes in the computer. So computer has a limited shelf life. For example, one computer, because our requirement changes, so we need to change the computer every 4 to 5 years. So there is no dearth of any sale in the market. A big opportunity for everyone. There are many verticals. As I told you before, every 5 years there is a change. Now this education is going to change. Earlier the blackboards are going to vanish. The big screens are coming, touch screens, Android screens are coming. Video conferencing is coming up in a big way. Surveillance has a big business. The cloud is a big business in the surveillance. So there are many items, new items which are coming up in our industry. So there is scope for everyone. Presently we are doing the import of these things, but slowly as the quantities grow, we are planning to do a Make in India for these products, because without Make in India we can't survive in the very long run. Next 5 years, our new generation is coming to business. So we see how they respond to the market. So there is a big market. There are many verticals like corporate, GEM sector, then B2B sector is there, B2C sector is there. So how it is all depends on the young generation. How do they want to operate in the market? काम करो, मेहनत करो, दबा के करो. बहुत स्कोप है, हर आदमी के लिए काम है वो काम क्या.
Hi, I'm Akshat Gupta. I'm son of Mr. Gupta. So I recently joined my dad's business like 1 month ago, and my main vision for the company is to basically expand our own products, which are video projection screens, imprint over cartages, and the GNET networking cables that we sell, and also shift our business from a more B2B standpoint to and from a regional area to a more national and a pan-India level through the use of latest technologies like digitization and latest tools like making it a website and social media marketing. And I guess with the digital age, it's very easy to sell to the direct customer, provided that your marketing channels and your marketing techniques are right. And that's what we are aiming for, like eventually selling to customers as well as to consumers, depending on how our marketing strategy is. So, I won't talk about the new product ranges. I'll talk about what sort of things that we can do. We can provide like a wholesome solution with respect to a problem. For example, if I sell projection screens, I try to tackle it as a whole solution for an audio, visual, experience and an audiovisual solution that that a customer can get under one roof, and he does not have to roam around 10 shops to get one solution. So I guess the growing opportunity in the IT sector, as my dad said, that in COVID times the sale of this IT sector really boomed because the requirements of computers, of printers, of work from home equipment actually rose quite a lot. So that actually excited me. That actually gave me an opportunity that if the new generation comes, they can bring along their own ideas and help grow the business where our parents left it.
For more information, please visit www.ncnonline.net.